Hello, welcome back to the channel, children. I am Payal, and today we are going to learn the phonic sound I related three letters word. How to read and write with the help of phonics. So let's start. So in the part 1, this is the part 3. Okay, this is the third class, and the remaining first or two class we already learned the A E sounds reading. Now it's I. Okay, so let us see. Ib, ib. B sound is B. Bib, bib. Nib, eeks. Fix, mix. Six, id, id. D sound is D. Did. H sound is H. Hid. K sound is K. Kid. L sound is L. Lid. Next, in. In. And if you are seeing this video, what you should do, the children, you should have with you rough book. With you should be have rough book and pencil, and you have to say and write along with me. Then only this class benefit for you. You will get some benefit for the reading and writing. If parents also watching, give them the rough book, pencil, any book, blank sheet, they will practice. Because when we are listening and writing, brain captures more. In. B sound is B. Bin. F sound is F. Fin. P. In. Pin. T. Tin. V. In. Win. Ig. B. Ig. Big. D, ick, dig, fig, wig, jig. Okay. Next, ip, ip, dip, hip, ha, ip, hip. L sound is la, lip, s, ip, sip, t, ip, tip, it, it, bit, fit, hit, lit, bit, sit. So, yes, today the I sound related, we learn the reading and writing. I hope so. This class helpful for you. So, what we learn in vowels? A, E, I. Now next, O. O sound is o, o, on, on. Children, do you know this all the sounds? If you don't know, so previous first video you can watch that, it will be very helpful for you. In that each letter sounds I taught and we learn also. If anyone is watching in between, so please you should watch part 1 and part 2. This is the part 3 class. So let us see. Now is odd, odd, god, no, odd, not, odd, pod, rod, rod. Next, og, og, dog, og, fog, og, jog. L sound is la, og, log. Next, op, 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 hop, hop, mop, mop, top, top. And if you want any subject, video, or any topic, you can comment it your name, class, and subject. That also video you will get soon. Next, art, art, cot, dot, hot, lot, not, ought, not, p, ought, pot, ox, ox, b, ox, box, f, ox, fox, oy, oy, b, oy, boy, j, oy, joy, t, oy, toy, aw, aw, baw, cow, o, a, ow, bow, cow, how, now. So O is a, w. W sound is w, water. Bow, cow, how, now. So I hope so. This video helpful for you for the reading and writing. Now is the homework part. Look, today's date is 9/7/26. These all the letters you have to learn and write 2 times in any book, any notebook you can write. Neat handwriting. And after that, you can take mommy papa's help. They will dictate. Dictate means they will say dog. You have to write the dog spelling. Okay? So I hope so. You enjoy the class. Happy learning. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Bye.